Okay. Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. And today I want to talk a little bit about maintaining your engine and how important it is. Now, if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll see that I have worked on engines and, car engines, small engines, things of that nature. One of the things that I've always emphasized is putting, or I've told people, was to use good additives to your fuel tank or to your engine so that it continues to run efficiently. Believe it or not, putting the right additive in your fuel tank can make the world of a difference in an older vehicle or even a newer vehicle, okay? So the stuff that I like to use in my fuel tank is called Seafoam. And Seafoam is a motor treatment that can clean your injectors, clean your carb jets. It stabilizes your fuel. It also controls moisture in fuel, which you can sometimes get with these gasolines that we get because they have ethanol in it. It quiets lifters. Now, you may not know what a lot of this stuff is, but this is like the inside of your body, right? We all have certain parts in our body that need to stay lubricated, so to speak. When we eat right, when we put the right foods in our body, we feel better. We want to go work out. We want to do things. It's the same thing with an engine in a car, guys. When you put in the right additives, when you change the oil frequently, when you change your transmission fluid, which a lot of people don't know about, you have a great running car for many, many years. And just putting a simple $10 item in your fuel tank like this can keep it maintained for much longer than you anticipated and less problems with other internal components down the road. So how often should you use it? You can use it 2 to 3 months, or you can use it every 3,000 to 8,000 miles. It's a perfect additive with very little effort on your part other than just to add it to the fuel tank, okay? It also lubes upper cylinders. I mean, it basically does everything you need to keep your engine running perfectly, okay? In my opinion and in my experience, this is a great product. All right, so what we're gonna do next, we are going to pour this. I'm gonna show you how to pour this product into your fuel tank. I'll also put a link in the description to where you can get this at a discounted rate. Okay, so with all that being said, let's cut this video and get to work. Okay guys, we are back. So this is the way this works. Very simple, very user-friendly. It's basically 1 ounce for every gallon of gas you have in your car. My tank holds 16 gallons. All I need, and this is 16 ounces. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out, take off the cap, and it would be in your best interest to have something like this, but if you don't have it, that's okay. You can pour it in like this, okay? I personally like to use a funnel just for, control of the fluid. All right, so basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the lid off. We are going to pull this little tab here, see that? If you can see it here, all right? Pull it completely off, just like that. And now we're gonna pour all of the contents of this bottle into the fuel tank. Here we go. Now, just so you know, I don't have a full 16 gallons of fuel in my car. I have about a half a tank. So I'm actually increasing the concentration of this product to work even better with less fuel. So it's a little more concentrated, which isn't a bad thing. This will not hurt your engine, guys. So if you only have a half a tank and you don't have 16 gallons, that's okay, throw it in. If you have a full tank, throw it in. My suggestion is put at least 1 round of this thing in your car, run it through, put new gas in, and then in another 3,000 miles, put another one in, and you can do it every 3,000 miles. You can do it every 8,000 miles. My suggestion is every 3,000 miles. That's how you keep your car running excellent. All right, so thanks for watching and have a great day.